Hello and welcome to the product demonstration of WooCommerce Connector powered by Ksolves. We will see all the fundamental features of the WooCommerce Connector as we have seen so far how to create an instance and how to activate it. Now we will move on to the export and import feature of the WooCommerce. To find out the import feature in WooCommerce, first we need to click on the instance tab here and we will see the instance configuration. If you look carefully, the various module configurations are present over here. These options allow you to enable or disable any particular feature or module to perform in an instance. To explain this in detail, for example, if I click on the Journal Information tab, you will see that it doesn't contain much information, but it has details on currency and warehouses. Similarly, in the Product Information tab, it tells us if we want to sync the images or prices. For example, if I select to sync the prices by pressing this button, so whenever I import a product, its price will be imported along. Same follows for all the other configuration tabs. After saving the desired configuration, we shall come back to this dashboard. Here we can see the specific operation button. This opens a panel for us, and here we choose the instance name. For now, it's auto-selected. And next we see the option for Operation Flow tab and select WooCommerce to Odoo, or we can select Odoo to WooCommerce as per the need, which we term as import and export. For example, if we choose WooCommerce to Odoo and then from the next tab, we can select if we want to import products, stocks, attributes, categories, and so on. Let's try importing products. Next, we will get these three major options if we want to import all the products which are so far created in our WooCommerce connector. The second option is to import the products with a specific ID filters. The last option is to import the products by date, like after and before any particular date. It will import all the products created in that particular time frame. For now, if we check the specific ID filter, you can select multiple records. For example, if we need to check 3 products with the ID number, say 25, 26, and 27, the details will be generated here from their owner code. Now, let's try to create a product and then import it. We will come back to our WooCommerce connector, click on the Products button, and then click Add New. Here, I am giving the name of this product as lamps. Next, we will add a short description. Let's say, these are floor lamps. Then, we will just keep its regular price, let's say 1500. Next is the inventory. Let's make it stock available, say 50 quantities, and then add some more details, say weight as 250 and the rest dimensions as 15, 16 and 13. So now, let's just publish this product. Once it is published, we will get a unique ID of this product. Our product is now published and can be seen over here in the products menu with its unique ID number. Now if we move to our instance and add this record ID over here and click execute, we will see this message which pops up and says WooCommerce operation has been performed. Further information will be there in the logs. For that, we will verify the details here from the Processes tab and click Queue Jobs. The record will be present in the Queue Job section, whether our operation is complete or is still in the queue. For example, our operation has been listed over here, and if we see the color of the record, it's green. And once you click on it, it shows over here that it's in the done state, which means this product has been imported successfully. Now to verify this product, we will go back to the Sales tab and find our product over here by simply searching with the product's name. Here, It is lamps. As it's visible exactly the same way we created this product before, including all the details and the description. Another method of importing the data is also present over here, which is pull from WooCommerce. But this has some conditions with it. That is, the product must be imported once, so you can pull that individually. Let's check it over here in this image snippet. Importing products can be done by these two methods. Either from instance, using the specific operation button, or from pulling it individually from the product record. But in that case, the product must be imported once. And that's how an import feature in WooCommerce works.